Hello and welcome to another Pokemon toy review. Today we're looking at Necrozma. This figure is made by Wicked Cool Toys and is from their large 12-inch scale line. As I've said before, I'm a big fan of the packaging by Wicked Cool Toys. So the packaging gets a huge thumbs up from me. Now on the back here you can see some of the other toys released by Wicked Cool Toys, including Solgaleo, Lunala and 4 battle feature figures. I'll be reviewing these next, so please subscribe if you don't want to miss out on those. Now let's get Necrozma out of its packaging. So Necrozma, like Lunala, comes with a clear display stand which makes the figure look like it's suspended in air. There are 4 points of articulation on this figure. 2 of them are in these leg parts which come off far too easily. As you saw when I was taking Necrozma out of its box, they just fell apart. The other 2 points are in the arms, which have a click and lock function and can rotate around 360 degrees. The arms are very bottom heavy, so the click and lock function doesn't work that well. As you can see, it's supposed to lock into place, but the weight of the arm keeps it from doing so. On my figure, on this side of the arm, it works quite well, but I can see that using it a lot would really damage the function. So here you can see it does lock into place in various positions, but when I take it up like this, it just falls down. So this can be seen on the other side, which doesn't work as well on my figure. As you can see, when I try to lock it in this position, it just falls down. So I'm not a fan of this type of joint. I would have much preferred if they just included a normal ball joint. The head has no articulation, but I suppose that would have been very difficult to do. Now looking more closely at how the leg parts attach, you can see it's just a hole where they slot into, but they don't lock into place, so they come off really easily. Now you can move them into various positions, but I don't think that was entirely necessary. I would have much preferred if they were locked into one position. Considering how bad the articulation points are on this figure, I think it's best displayed in a neutral position and more like a statue rather than a articulated figure. So I think that's what makes it look best. Now let's have a more detailed look at Necrozma with a 360-degree spin. Now this figure is mainly black, so you can't go much wrong with the paintwork there, but there are some points of colour to it, like in the face area here you can see certain parts that are coloured in, so there's no overspill in the colours on the face, not on either side of the figure, which is great. There's also the arms that are shaded in white, again no overspill in the white parts, and then on the back as well. The mould of this figure is really good. I didn't find any flaws on my figure. There were a few minor scuffs, but nothing that I can really zoom in on. The actual size of this figure comes in at 12 inches tall and 11 inches wide. So huge figure. Now here's Necrozma next to the Moncol EX version by Takara TOMY, and just to show you the relative size of this figure. Now overall I think if you're a big fan of Necrozma, then you should definitely pick this figure up. There is really nothing out there for this size of a Necrozma figure. Although the points of articulation are really bad, it still works well as a statue figure. And next I will be reviewing the battle feature figures from Wicked Cool Toys, so look out for those. If you liked that video, hit the thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more Pokemon toy reviews, please subscribe now. Now go back and watch all my other videos, and I will see you all next time. Bye!